Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Actually, in the previous video I had explained you about the mole concept. So some of the queries I have got it about that, sir, we don't know how to write chemical formulae. So before moving towards the mole concept numericals, I would like to give you the concepts of how to write the chemical formulae. Today we are going to discuss class 9 science chapter 3 atoms and molecules, how to write chemical formulae. So let's start how to write chemical formulae. In the previous video I had explained you about the valency. Can you tell me what is valency? If you know the valency, then it's very easy to write chemical formulae. You must know the valency of the compounds as I had informed you. First of all, what is valency? You can write the define of valency. Valency means combining capacity of an element. What is valency? Combining capacity of an element. You can write this define in your notebook. Combining capacity of an element. Right? I will give you some of the valencies of some elements. You have to just understand that how to write the chemical formulae and what is the name of that compound. Right? So let's start. If I talk about the valency of sulfate, SO4, can you tell me what is the valency of sulfate? 2, right? Carbonate, 2, right? So these two, I'm talking about, they both are having valency 2. Nitrate, NO3, have you heard about the nitrate? Have you heard about the hydroxide? Have you heard about the chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride? These all are having valency 1, right? If I talk about the oxides, they are having valency 2. So they also come in this group because they are having valency 2. Oxides, sulfur, sulfides, right? So these all are having valency 2. These all are having valency 1. So if I want to give you to write the name of the compound, as for example, just suppose I am going to give you to write the name of them. Whenever any two elements combine, any two elements, and their last word must be IDE. What will be their last word? IDE. As for example, just suppose hydrogen is there and fluorine is there. Right? What is the name of this element? Hydrogen. And what is the name of this element? Fluorine. So whatever the chemical formula would be there, but the name will be hydrogen fluoride. This is hydrogen. See, remember, this is hydrogen and this is fluorine. Okay? So you just see both of them are having valency 1, 1. The compound will be HF and the name of this compound is hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen fluoride. What I want to say you that whenever the two elements combine, any two elements, the last word must be IDE. What should be the last word? IDE. See, just suppose sodium and oxygen. What is the valency of sodium? Can you tell me what is the valency of sodium? Sodium valency is 1. And what is the valency of oxygen? Oxygen valency is 2. When this both element will combine, they will form a compound called Na2O. Can you tell me what will be the name of this compound? Sodium and oxygen. Sodium oxide. What will be the name of the compound? Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. So any elements, if you know the valency about that element, then it's very easy to write the chemical formulae. If you know only and only the valency of few elements, then it's will see, just first of all you should know about the concepts of the valencies, that which element has what valency, right? So if I talk about the hydrogen, 1 valency, lithium, 1 valency, sulfur, 2 valency, oxygen, 2 valency. I hope on that day I had taught you about the elements, name and the valency. If you are still having doubt about the names and the valency, first of all take a screenshot of this board, and after that I will give you the name and valencies of the element. So you can easily write a chemical formula. Got it? So I hope all of you have taken a screenshot. Let's go towards the elements name. See, I am writing here some of the compounds already I have written, but I am writing few elements name and valency, which are very important. Right? See here, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These all the elements have valency 1. All of you are able to see? Yeah. So these all the elements have valency 1. Got it? What is the valency of all these elements? 1. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. All these elements have valency 2. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. All these elements have valency 3. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, quantium. All these elements have valency 4. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, pentium. All these elements have valency 3. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, hexium. All these elements have valency 2. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and septium or eka. These all elements have valency 1. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, octium. All these elements have valency 0. So you have seen these valencies of the elements. Okay. Now, as the main compounds I had given you, like sulfate valency is 2, nitrate valency is 1, carbonate valency is 2, bicarbonate valency or hydrogen carbonate valency is 1, phosphate valency is 3. See, these are the few common things. Hydroxide valency is 1. Now you have to form compound. So how you will form a compound? Any elements, you have to take the elements, you have to write the valency of the elements, and then you have to make a compound. Just suppose if I talk about hydrogen and phosphate, PO4. Okay, if I want to make a compound with these two or one element and one compound, you just check here. Hydrogen, what is the valency of hydrogen? 1, right? Hydrogen. Hydrogen and phosphate, PHOSPHATE. Hydrogen valency and phosphate valency. Hydrogen valency is 1, phosphate valency is 3. 3 will come this side, 1 will go this side. What will be the compound? H3PO41. Generally we do not write 1. So H3PO4. The general name of this compound is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Got it? Now I am giving you elements like potassium and oxygen. Now you have to tell me what is the valency of potassium and what is the valency of oxygen. The valency of potassium is, just check here, the valency of potassium 1 and the valency of oxygen 2. 1, 2. So what will be the compound? K2O. And what will be the name of this compound? Potassium oxide. You must know the name of the compound. If I will give you to write some of the name of the compound, or if I will give you the chemical formula and you have to write the name of the compound. So first of all, as how to write the name of the compound within the chemical formula. As for example, just I am giving you some of the chemical formulas and you have to write the name of the compounds. How you will write the name of the compound? Still you don't know that what should be at the last, how we convert the name of the elements. Till that you can't write the name of the chemical formulas. Just suppose, here I am telling you MgF2. The name of Mg, magnesium, and this is fluorine. Since magnesium valency is 2 and fluorine valency is 1, the compound is MgF2. So what you will write the name of this compound? Magnesium fluoride. What you will write the name of this compound? Magnesium fluoride. Magnesium fluoride. Magnesium fluoride. You can see here. Got it? Are you understanding or not? If any other compound, if I give you, just suppose phosphorus and oxygen, okay? Phosphorus and oxygen, or any other thing, whatever the compound you like, just tell me which compound. Calcium and oxygen, okay? Calcium. What is the valence of calcium? 2. Oxygen 2. Both are balanced. No need to write any other thing. 2 both the sides. So CaO. What will write? CaO. Because 2 is in the both the sides. So no need to write anything here. So the chemical formula will be calcium oxide CaO. The name of this compound, calcium oxide, chemical formula CaO. Any other, whatever you like, tell me. If I talk about the chlorine and magnesium and chlorine, the valency of magnesium 2, chlorine 1, so they both will come here and there, as the formula will be MgCl2, right? So here we can see the magnesium and chlorine. So the formula will be magnesium chloride MgCl2, and you can write here magnesium chloride. What you will write here? Magnesium chloride. So today's homework, whatever I am going to give you, that is related to the chemical formulas, and you have to write the name of chemicals. Got it? So first of all, you have to listen about the valencies. You must know the valencies of the chemical formulas, and then you can write the name of the chemical formula, you can write the chemical formulas, and then only you will be able to solve this type of question. So first of all, you must know the valencies of this element. You can write the valencies of these elements. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot also. After writing the names of the elements, you can go ahead and you can specially just write all these things in your notebook, and as I will give you homework also to solve about the chemical name and chemical formula. So please write all these elements name in your notebook, their valencies, and how to make a compound. As already I have shown you earlier also, you must know about it, that how to make a compound. That's all for today. I hope all of you have liked this video and all of you have understand about the concept of how to write the chemical formula of the compound. If the compounds names are given, only names, then how to make the chemical compounds. If any chemical compound is given, then how to write their name. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, so your friends can also take some knowledge. If they are studying in your school or any other school, that also no problem. You can share this video with your friends also, so they can also get. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for today. Take a screenshot.